Fasting literally changes your brain. Now you might have some questions like what is fasting, how to fast, how many different types of fasting are there, what are its benefits. Did you know that fasting can repair cancer cells and increase the special protein in the brain by 50% and supercharge your memory by 20%? We will discuss this and more because I have been fasting for 4 years and I have seen some incredible results that I want to share with you today. And not just that, I spent the last week further researching so I can provide the best information. I create content related to self-improvement, and if you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe to my channel. When I talk about fasting, many people are scared and they think it is not for me because you cannot eat anything in that period. Well, that's not entirely true. There are different types of fast and you can choose which one suits you, and we will discuss different types of fast later in the video. Fasting can be very easy if you know what you are doing. But what does fasting even mean? Fasting is abstinence from all or some food and drink for a given period of time. Fasting has been practiced for thousands of years in many different cultures, which is known to elevate your physical, mental and spiritual well-being. Studies have shown that fasting can enhance brain function in numerous ways, from boosting cognitive performance and increasing focus to promoting neuroplasticity, and even help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. One of the most common things that people think when they hear the word fasting, it is too difficult. But different types of fast affect the brain differently. Here are some few common types of fasting. Water fast. It involves drinking only water for a set amount of time. Juice fasting. In juice fasting, you drink only vegetable or fruit juice for a certain period of time. Intermittent fasting. In intermittent fasting, intake is completely or partially restricted for a couple of hours or couple of days at a time, and regular diet is resumed on other days. Intermittent fasting can be broken down into subcategories such as alternate day fasting, which involves eating every other day, or time restricted feeding, which is limiting intake just a few hours each day. Partial fasting. In partial fasting, certain foods or drinks such as processed food, animal products or caffeine are eliminated from the diet for a certain period. Calorie restriction. As the name suggests, calories are restricted for a few days every week. You can try any of this fast according to your preferences, and it is very important to consult a doctor or healthcare professional before you do any types of fast to ensure your safety. But why should you do it even in the first place? Fasting can have many benefits, and some benefits of fasting are: influences your metabolism, helps with weight management, supports blood sugar levels, improves gut health, supports heart health, helps prevent diseases, helps delay aging, helps reduce anxiety, reduces inflammation. Effects of fasting on the brain. There was a study done on lab animals to see the benefits of fasting to find out if the centuries-old technique has actually some benefits or not, and the results were shocking. It was found out that the brain and body actually perform better during fasting, and here is what they found out. Improved cognitive function. Fasting has been shown to enhance various cognitive functions such as learning, memory, attention and focus. This improvement is related to the increased production of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, the brain protein that is increased by 50% during fasting. BDNF is a protein that supports the growth and survival of neurons. Clinical studies suggest benefits for conditions like epilepsy, Alzheimer's disease, and multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's disease. Neurobiological health. Fasting can lead to metabolic, cellular, and circadian changes in the brain. This can lead to increased brain health and improved cognitive function. Increased autophagy. Autophagy is a cellular process that removes damaged or dysfunctional components, helping to maintain cellular health. Fasting can stimulate autophagy in the brain, where damaged cellular components are recycled or replaced, which also leads to the removal of toxic proteins and improving overall cellular function. Improved mood and mental well-being. Some research studies suggest that fasting may have positive impacts on mood and overall well-being. Fasting can also potentially reduce anxiety and depression. Increased resistance to stress. Fasting may reduce the brain's resistance to various forms of stress, such as oxidative stress and inflammation. This increased resilience can potentially lower the risks of developing brain disorders and promote overall brain health. Potential neurogenesis. Some studies suggest that fasting can promote the growth of new neurons in the hippocampus, a brain region crucial for learning and memory. This neurogenesis may contribute to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. And a similar challenge you can take to improve your overall well-being is monk mode. And if you don't know what is monk mode, then this video is for you.